Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight's recipe comes from Egypt. Koshari. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place, in order of appearance. Here I'm rinsing the lentils. Then I'm heating some oil for the lentils. Then I saute the lentils for a minute or two. Then I add the water and set it to simmer. The hot jacuzzi is ready for the pasta. The pasta's in the hot jacuzzi. Heating up some oil for the onions. I add the onions and saute on low for several minutes. The basmati rice is ready. The cumin sauce. The wheel pasta is done. Heating up some oil in a small saucepan. I add some garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. And then I add all the tomato products for the tomato sauce. And I set to simmer. The onions are ready. Oh, yummy. And here we got everything laid out for layering. First layer is the onions. Second layer is the chickpeas. Under the rice is actually the pasta. Then I added the rice. And then I added the lentils. And I flip it over and sauce it. The final presentation. Thank you for joining me. Have fun cooking.